Starting your private labeling business can feel overwhelming, but using JungleScout makes it easier than ever. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use JungleScout to start your own private label products and scale them successfully. JungleScout is an all-in-one tool designed to help entrepreneurs like you find the right products to sell, research markets, and estimate profitability. Whether you're completely new to private labeling or just need a little guidance, this software is a game changer. The best part, you can access it for free through the first link in the description, plus get some exclusive bonuses. Now, let's jump into how you can use JungleScout to start your private labeling journey. The first step is product research, which is crucial for choosing profitable products. JungleScout's product database allows you to filter through thousands of products and zero in on the best opportunities. You can search by category, price range, sales volume, and more. This is a great way to identify high-demand products with low competition, key to a successful private label business. Next, JungleScout has a powerful tool called the Opportunity Finder. This tool helps you uncover niches with strong demand but fewer sellers. It's perfect for spotting gaps in the market where you can introduce your private label product and stand out. You can also use the Opportunity Finder to analyze historical trends, ensuring your product will have steady demand throughout the year. Once you've narrowed down your product, it's time for competitor research. With JungleScout's product tracker, you can monitor your competitors' performance. This feature lets you track their sales, revenue, and pricing strategies, giving you a better understanding of what works and what doesn't. It's a fantastic way to see where you can improve and how you can differentiate your private label products. When it comes to sourcing, JungleScout's supplier database is invaluable. You can use it to find reliable manufacturers who can help bring your private label products to life. This database allows you to filter suppliers by location, type of product, and production capacity. Plus, you can see reviews from other entrepreneurs to help you make an informed decision. Having access to a reliable supplier is one of the most important parts of private labeling, and JungleScout makes it easy to find one. Pricing your product is another crucial step, and JungleScout's profit calculator helps you do just that. The calculator takes into account all your costs, from manufacturing to shipping, and provides an estimated profit margin. This tool ensures you're pricing your product correctly to stay competitive while maintaining a healthy profit margin. Once your product is ready to go, it's time to launch. JungleScout's launch features can help you create optimized listings for Amazon. You'll learn how to write product descriptions that convert, choose the best keywords, and optimize your listings to rank higher in Amazon search results. All of this is essential for getting visibility and driving sales. And here's the kicker. JungleScout doesn't just stop at product research and launch. It also helps you scale. With their sales analytics and reporting tools, you can track how your private label product is performing, monitor profits, and adjust your strategy as needed. This is how you grow your business over time and continue improving your product offerings. Remember, everything I've shown you here today can be accessed for free with our exclusive extended trial through the first link below. This gives you the tools you need to start your private labeling journey with a serious advantage. To recap, JungleScout gives you everything you need: product research, competitor analysis, supplier sourcing, and tools to optimize and scale your business. If you want to succeed with private labeling, you need JungleScout by your side. Check out the link below for your free trial and get started today.